Hotel Yang Nyaman Dandikot Kasain Soji Dan Asakusa Station Hotel Nyabursi Dan Nyaman. Staff Nyarma Dan Bisa English, Tidak Perlu Checkout K Receptionist. Toilet Kanji, Dan Kamar Delenkabi Air Purifying. Wonderful hotel located near Sensoji Temple. The connecting room is really nice for us, amenities are good also. I really recommend this hotel. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Good stay. The hotel is located strategically in Asakusa area and we managed to hunt for nice food and enjoy shopping while staying here. The hotel also can keep our luggage after checkout. Overall we enjoy the stay and would recommend for those looking for hotel in Tokyo. Perfect location and high stars service. The hotel is less than 2 minutes of the Sensoji Temple and all its restaurants and shopping. It is also less than 5 minutes walk to the nearest subway stop. And buses to choose from as well if you would prefer that option. It is clean, has friendly staff and wonderful extra pets. Like free drinks at happy hours, your personal choice of pillow from a cabinet in the lobby and all the amenities you might have forgotten. We had the breakfast included option and that also paid off. Various choices in cold and hot foods and drinks and different variety every day. Highly recommendable. Would stay there again in a heartbeat. Pajamas, shampoos, soap all are provided and you can freely get one each night. Very good. We availed connecting double rooms. They have locks. Value Hotel. The hotel near train station, convenience stores, supermarket, restaurant and Sensoji Temple. The breakfast is delicious but I think the dining room is too small. If you are late you will have to stand and wait for a seat. Good hotel. Great location. Not far from train station. Near convenience store, supermarket, Sensoji Temple and shopping street. Clean hotel, delicious breakfast but the area is too small. The best of the best 1. The location is the best. 2. The service is the best. 3. The room is the best. 5. The offers is the best. All the best is for the traveler. Value for money. The hotel is quite small like other hotel in Tokyo but you get all you need, the private bathroom, TV, even charger for your mobile and breakfast. The location is very good, just 200 meters to Sensoji Temple and there are 2 subways line around. Great and consistent. Super hotels are always consistent and excellent, but this was a great option. For 3 ladies traveling together and Gasu in hunting, this was a great option for us. Pretty standard and excellent value for the money.